Okay.
When you they do birthday, remind you, when they do birthday, you can't comment, put say happy birthday. I can't set the comments. Me no come say I just set her no. I can't see what thank you, mama. I can't reply. When she back, I said they keep my list for children. May you call them, wish her congratulations, their friendship over. As we call and say, I know Jaya come for your birthday. I didn't know how much you pay your birthday. Mama, you see, your baby like this family. I was a cash cruise. Your baby like our family. You both have a birthday. You say yes, and I don't get birthday for both. We not even know.
One of the transfer.
Next couple like say she herself go research. Enogie, when you do your birthday, you know the question now the 16. Okay, now the 15 it's a bomb. It is now the 16. Thank God though. Now you go say. You bought for 50, you bought for 60, now see that now the same. You want to talk to you say because we know, say you bought for another birthday, now make we call you. Okay, minister, let me you wish me happy birthday.
Yes.
This woman change, This woman change.
Yeah.
Your character is too dirty. You almost come first for me and just don't be brave when I use.
You not simply dress
your character is too dirty.
My
life is complete 2 years. This month I'm not see more than 2.
No.
When
me and my wife were quarrel, when you drag us, not be nothing more than.
You even mock me that I give birth every month, but because of that, the stress is too much.
Person when they give birth every month.
Looking for the fruit of the womb.
Pastor Grace. Person when they give birth every month, you not better pass person born for 2
months. And we are looking for baby.
2 children, 2 fathers, no bow back born now what boy? Now my people, only create.
Mind you, I know a lot of fake accounts here. You are never bought a hair from me, oh. Violate to my
you are never
buy hair from me. But woman puppies so they talk already say he buy hair for me. You never buy for me. You never put the get better hair. Don't see you want buy hair for me.
Guys, thumbs up for me and subscribe to my YouTube channel because this saga it go long and well. Yes, you are not smart now. The rest of them are talking to Mrs. This I answer them. I don't pass them. If it's easy, maybe they stop saga for 1 month, maybe they do content. So now those kind of people, when be say, you breaking news not called enough to do video. Now I'm going to go to Toto, for National Peace Story. Now, my people, see this video. I want to play this first video where I say, message this idiot. This is one way they call itself nursing mother. A nursing mother like mama. Nursing mother no wa. Now, Mona see you. If this video, when I do so, if I use her insult her, and they listen, pardon me.
Too much. What of Violet when you live on so? A difference that why Violet or doy. America Violet, Yakon, whether about Vi, and a Vayada. Or yet another if you sleep as you born and okay, I let me now. Hello.
All right, my people, I greet you now. This is Enogie, one of Dutchland, your #1 controversial investor, Enogie. When I see that video just now, I don't know that woman. Not just the voice now I play. The reason why I put this video here be say a lot of my fans have been calling me since morning. When I see the time I say they do this video now night, and I see the same night I want to post this video because a lot of my fans have been calling me since morning. Bro, say no, you know, so you know they do saga again, you know. But this very particular video, so you need to talk about. I mean, you debunk them if you know, say not be truth. To cut the story short, because of space we will not get for this house, my wife say you need small fridge. You know, oh, see they put meat and some other things. So my ex-goddaughter, Cynthia family.
You asked the issue for this video.
With this fridge. Not be mama na mama, not be buy this fridge for us. Mama, your mama. I know say you newborn. I don't know you met tell her or you might not still tell her. But I'm doing this video tonight to debunk. Say not be you. Mama and mama, not be buy that deep freezer for us. Now our money will take buy that deep freezer. And Cynthia Family TV help us order them. for auto. And I want to use this medium to beg my lovers and fans. I know say I know they don't have space again. I really appreciate the fact that send me this video this evening. As I've earlier said, I don't know this woman. I don't know her. Her face looks so familiar, but I don't know her. But next time, maybe not be still she go still message me. Maybe other person go still come do this kind of thing, similar to this kind of thing. I beg, not send them to me. There's an adage in me that says, the only thing when I want Mona help me do and to subscribe to my official Enogie TV on YouTube and to follow me on Enogie Family TV. This video now I can't post it on Enogie Family TV. Never. I will leave it here in Enogie's Priceless to debunk whatsoever that woman have said about the freezer.
Una dey hear na? My people, when they watch me this evening, una hear when I tell you sort this idiot, when they call himself Violet, Violet Ogwogbijua, Ogwogbijua. Oh, ex-girlfriend of Gukwa, abi ex-girlfriend or ex-wife. Present baby mama to another person. No, I'm not cooking Nigeria. No, Mofi. No, my lovers, when they watch me on YouTube this night, did I insult this woman on this video? Okay, what it can happen after this video? May una see the debunk where he say that one debunk. But I don't know. I can't wait this woman since on the 21st of February. This woman not call. I dey even call this woman for WhatsApp. She not dey pick my call again. She say her phone spoil. Madam, when you take call me, me myself, my own phone spoil. You say you call me, I not see her. My own phone is spoil. Now you adore it. I can't remove the SIM card, put her for this my new phone. In Enogie your boy. Maybe now that time you take call me, but I still even call you 2 days ago. Yeah, you not pick. Now I come verse. No see mother no Ogbe Wagbon. You get Violet in Canada. You want to say no see wetin mama do. Say, Enogie we say not be not be mama and mama bad fridge. So that I'm only that take bad fridge. Did I ever do a video like that? Have I ever do a video like that? Now you be Mama Miami. Hey Violet, since when you become Mama Miami? Mama and Mama Miami, are they the same? So what is new? I can't do another video the other day. Say, madam, what you do pay me? Hereditary. When I see the reply what she give me. Now I want to begin the analyzer. When I listen to, and now I want to play the main one when she take reply me. For inside this one, I want to play the video where he say that one where they UK take the debunk. Una go still tell me if now so they take the debunk something. Well done with you.
Yeah.
Well done.
Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to the time when I would see this video, somebody just brought a video to my notice now.
As that one for UK drag her to this saga, you know say you newly born. What are you supposed to do? As you say I do video like that. Now just a normal write-up. I don't know what you they call her. Please, my lady. I beg, I'm not bad fish for Ramo. You can't go the call her for his ass, Nubel. Umati have a love video. Una ya ati e wowa. Now inside the woman for talking. Now inside that woman for talking. Violet, worry. Saga gwalo. Iba me have the bomb way. Evini, Nubefi ni we or say ni mana we saga. We are fear. That thing where you be feel say they make me say I don't want to do saga. We are fear ni anu be wagmo. More listening. Share this with
again for the second time. This is to 10 p.m. for night. I be done to sleep. You can even hear my voice. I be done to sleep. I say I sleep there for wake me say Enogie do video. Say me, mama na mama, I not come out come debunk.
Una dey see why yo. As a nursing mother, You don't dey sleep. You wake up. You see my second video. You don't dey sleep. You wake up. What are you not supposed to do as you wake up? This video not even call for? Not just for you to write down. But you are afraid that if you debunk her, that woman will start to divest for you. Mama, when I know you, when I use charm for you, because only that time where a boniga alone were clear. When me and my wife tell you when I use charm for you. Eh? When I tell know you, thank God say, Baba, I laugh now, eh? Sometimes, God will pursue some kind of things away from you. You the say maybe a devil. No, not be devil. You, mama, you are a devil. You are a manipulator. That video when that woman do, you know, you see him. But you want pretend make that thing come be like say, now you buy us free. You see, I say at the verse. Just a write-up would have saved you from this. You say no, say you want your heart here, wowa. I still say that it's for color. Okay, we're giving tears one in a wowa. And when you gave it, do debunk, all of the baby told away. Did I ever do a video of Pepper then? Say that mama buy me fridge. When the business not be you buy me fridge. God forbid. God forbid. Now she dey confess that say you were asleep as a nursing mother where you call yourself. Somebody call you, you do 21 minutes video for me. That yesterday evening. Waiting not go take you 5 minutes to rest. Say, my dear free Joe. You see the way people take mumu for life. All right, let's go.
Waiting Lady Monica talk regarding freezer. Say Lady Monica do video on the 21st of February, say na mama buy freezer for them. And of which Enogie did video on the 21st of that same February. Post my picture for the video. Say make I come out, make I come debunk. Say I not buy the freezer. That same on the 21st, when Enogie do that video of February, my WhatsApp crash. Which is my Facebook WhatsApp. I have two WhatsApp. I get business WhatsApp and I get my private WhatsApp. No to Ginema.
As your WhatsApp crash, fine, no problem. When your WhatsApp don't on, what it can happen? When are they listening?
That same on the 21st, where it also, if my WhatsApp not really crash, I carry phone, my private WhatsApp, I call Enogie, it not pick. I call Enogie. That time when I talk, so it was already almost 1 a.m. going to 2 a.m. for night. Enogie pick my call. I say, Enogie, see what they happen. No, they say you do video, say I buy Enogie freezer. And I say, Mama, in my day freezer Enogie. Now I say after a year, I say some bloggers use and do saga inside life.
Una they see betrayer, manipulator, and person where he put something for mind against me. When you call the woman, where you say you call, according to you, you can't still use your mouth tell and say you hear that kind of a thing for bloggers' hand. Blogger and me, you don't know as bloggers they lie. Most especially this time when I test Stop Saga, so hand meet all of them. Where be a do bloggers for those cyberspace. Oh, boggle they will you may mean a post. Post. That's yeah, they don't know say I'll feel stop that saga. It may Becky Yang Bobo. So you wanna see how evil you are. Okay, you don't hear that thing before. Meaning when we gossiping because now only bloggers they do that kind of thing. Because there was never a video when I tell say go meo mama de free me izua itolizakwa. I stopped that nonsense when me and that woman they do friendship because I overhype her then. A lot of things they should not do for me. At the end of the day, if you not do something for me, I will talk her. No guide me in the close reach. You hear I say bloggers they talk him. You lock up, better they give you the glory. Then the one when you do for me, You say me not talk for outside. The 500K when you give me for my marriage. And now I know say that 500K will give me not this your belly. You give me as a bribe. Make my wife not vex for what you do my wife when me and my wife they quarrel. Because if you can say your baby, as in your pregnancy, when me post, they wish you congratulations. Say I by post and say not reach my belly. Meaning the 500K where you give me for my marriage, not reach your belly. You do them out of eye service. No yak be won kawa way. You told me not to say it, but I have to say it out. Because if you can hear, say, what did you not do for me? Then they ask me, they go, you lock up. Then, what's not the essence of you helping me and you are telling me not to say it out? The social media now, it be better to cyberspace. Why so? You see life. What are they listing? What's that?
Now with my Mama Miami where there's nobody like Mama Miami now Violet never Mama Miami where buy freezer for them. I ignore it because that time I was pregnant.
Where the for talk that he say now you be Mama Miami? Hey God, just soon. I bet my people they watch me this night. No don't ever hear any blogger talk say now Mama Violet, who be Mama Violet? Now Mama na Mumu. Where they Canada? Now be Mama Miami. I don't ever hear that before for any blogger mouth. Because this is the first time I'm hearing it say, now you be Mama Miami. How you go take out? You can never be Mama Miami. God forbid. Never. Waiting out only. God for Where? He gave me who had in fact you'll carry microphone here and ask me to the world if you be Mama Miami. Oh, where I'm with microphone. Oh, yeah, and asking me, hey, see what I don't see what you said. The things you know do for my wife, now you talk and say you do it for her. Not knowing, say, my wife post something for story, you insisted, say you want people, may my wife bless you with twins. May my wife bless you with God. Violet, I declare for you. This is not going to end today. It's a promise. Awa! No, see, mother. Yeah, Yahweh. Yeah, yes, again, Yahweh. Edore. Next time, if person use you to lie, you could debug am. You get? If person use you to lie, wait till you know say you not do for person. I cannot. Before I did take that kind of thing before. As I hear that thing, I don't look up. But as me and that woman don't take quarrel, she use them against me. Even if my wife born tomorrow, I will never allow anybody to give me anything that has to do with food stuff. Never. Never, because me agbon wane. Wait, I not request for. That my enemy they call me today. I did not request for it. Imagine me yo. Or my better way with your man. I will not away. That aside. Enogie, no blogger talk am. Okay. They don't feel drag Mama Miami because they don't even get them one picture. Probably today that Saturday saw that innocent woman because of me. They feel say if I stop saga, nobody will even hear me again. Go and look at all my content. What they do? I they see views. Go and check all my content that they do. I they see views. I still there. Now me come even say, when where they follow me for social media, when they follow me because of the saga, not just like me naturally because after saga, I still they get my view for content. If not some people, they not going to hear of them again. Now everybody they do content where they see view. Everybody with content and I'm a viewer.
And the saga not involved me, they not call me for the matter. So there was no point of me coming and say, I love Mama Miami, let me buy freezer. In our a saga talk, because most people they talk for saga, they were all lies.
Okay, why you can't come out now? Can't reply me. Since the thing where they go on a saga talk, but where could you reply when you go? How Violet? But where could you reply me? No devagua. No so wagmo. Since na saga talk, but when they wake you from sleep, you stand up, you not tell the person say you be nursing mother, make the person get out. On your manual. Edowe, una immune one now I want to declare you my enemy for life. Or when you born Jesus Christ tomorrow, I no go call you for phone. You be devil. Now I declare you as enemy. The quarrel when I get with you before, to God and man, not put you for mind. That's why when you born, I celebrate. But now I declare you as the way those people be, will be my enemy for now. So you still be now. You never see anything. I go beat you, drag your baby papa, drag the first baby papa, drag your mama. Because boy, I see a problem again, boy. I never plan for what I'm doing right now. Now you find my trouble. So you go face some. You face some. Because where? As I be now, how you use me to say, Enogie, now you buy bizu be pure water. When I know it's not be me, I go carry phone, right? Please, my brother, whosoever the person we talk can be. Please, I did not buy bottled water for a bizugbe. Please, if you have any issues with bizugbe, settle it with bizugbe quietly. This thing for not reach like this. I'll say, okay. She does the bunk and say she not do anything for me. I'll just still rest. Not be me rest since then. I do saga since then. But this idiot say go call down for his ass. Eh, more day free. And the year before, you the meles careful. You claim to be a nursing mother. The very day when I call you, wish you congratulations, you tell me to my ears, before the last week, I say, Mommy, joyous, post your baby, poor happy. I say, na saga, but that one don't mean. Not be you born the pikin so. It don't mean. Una the call and so saga be. You not just say you not be nursing mother, but you gossip Mommy joyous to me that day. You gossip Mommy Joyous. If you not gossip Mommy Joyous to me, the day I called you to wish you congratulations on your newborn, which I can't fight for Jeremy, no, Violet, wait till pay you pass when you go lose this year. Because we'll cast one at here, but I'm a master man on my series. Nothing more than the gossip. Just 24 hours when you give birth. You don't know, say somebody post your baby poor happy. Then you say, me, I don't stress you. Whether they use you, they laugh for my head about fridge. Really? No, seriously. Violet, you don't know me. Go and verify. You don't know me. Me and your matter go even hot past Mommy Joyous soon. I swear, depending on the way the saga will be. I swear to God who made me. I'll make sure say I fight you because where now you come for me. Since you not get sense, I'll give you some lesson. I'll teach you a lesson. You will never forget in a hurry. If you bring any juju paper for me, I'm not going to answer you. I will make the matter worse. If you swear for me, I will swear for you. You don't know me. How do you be that? But they listen to this idiot because no one that Mommy Joyous they mama you. How come they say, oh, Mommy Joyous, your man still live now? I don't know, say you be devil. You reach when they beat the day when they born. We were saying that they not be here. You are a devil. Before uncle, that woman where they call lady today, my lady, he not beat you. He beat you past the one with me, they beat you so. But my own go worse because the lot of things where people don't know about you, even when Mommy Joyous don't know about you, I will bring it out on this YouTube, I swear. Next time, you not go ever try for your life. Call anybody, may they tell me to stop. I be the waste this may you call anybody, may tell me I stop. When they bomb me, you tell me. Yeah.
Pepe the saga almost on social media. I can't tell Lady Monica say, and you na carry tell me now we last year we bloggers in we feeling now we carry matter nani. But I just feel a saga that people they use and do. Hey moi mama Miami, imame de freezer niya. And Lady Monica got say, you don't know. Now say no, not be me. And then he be Lady Monica now with video, which is the video I'm going to be posting here now.
Okay.
You say tell girls that I say if I thought you carry police go my house.
Oh yeah, man.
I beg, be fast about
My police are going to go to Big though.
Your bucket.
My police are going to do them for
Your
what?
bucket.
My police here, you see what I was using your
I'm
ass.
also a nursing mother. I have 4 babies.
Yes,
I'm
now
also a
we
nursing
born them
mother.
twins day.
Eh.
We use almost 2 years and 8 months to born 4 children. My wife is also a nursing mother. I work by a nursing mother. Now, I work by a nursing mother. Nonsense.
He can't debunk her. Say, mama don't call me. Oh, she said no be she buy freezer for Enogie. No be she be mama in Miami. As Lady Monica don already debunk that, she don already debunk the video where she do. Enogie say that one not dey enough. Oh. Say me mama na mama after 6 days of giving birth.
My people, he go soon reach the video when he said that one debunk just now. May una see if na so they debunk something. We'll reach there just now. That video when they talk say he called that one can't debunk. I say Waniba,
gave birth on the 15th of February. Enogie start to saga me on the 21st of February.
My people, that video when I first play just now, I saga around there. I even insult her. He said he born the 15th of February. I constantly the saga around the 21st of February. Just because I messaged you. So you were happy. Say that they talk for their camp. Say that you buy me freezer. Cool. So wait till you not buy for me. Let me use a raw body. I never see this cat for my life. Wait till you not buy for me. You dey expect me. Wagbeo. Wabijua. You are soon. You can devour. Il va rien la jouer. O gwa solo gwafa. O rien bijouer. O mo da jouer bien ya. Il jouer owa. This jouer ma owa. Ou we bien on deva. 2 father, 2 children. At your age, you are in your 40s. At your age, hey, where? Shame on you. Shame on you. So may I use another body? So he there in okay, you know if you come and me you post say you not buy fish from you. So you don't feel that time with this thing. Make people stand for your words say my fridge me. Oh man, we get a woman we get the woman where you say you call for 1 p.m. for night. Don't know the message where you send us. Because that one can't even do worst. If video really did like that, since then, the bloggers don't post and say, Mona see you, Mona see you, no girl. Mona see when you tell say, na mama buy their fridge today, they deny. There was never a video like that. I did not even do it. So where did that woman got it from? If not be so that they use until they gossip me. Man, if I find you, if I will get your word from Babylon from mind, one case I'm not be that person will be say, except say I never really put you for mind. Now you'll get problem with me, we'll just see rest. But now I don't put you for mind, you are my enemy. Know this today and no peace. Yes, your baby papa picture will fall out tomorrow, unfairly tomorrow, depending on the reply when you want to come from me, or you go by yourself post your baby papa. If not, you never know me. I'll tell you say I must not be say I see something make me stop saga. I mean decided to just say bye bye to this nonsense. I don't need it. This is not my thing now. Nonsense.
That is after 6 days. Say make me mama and mama come out. Make I come debunk. Say no me buy a freezer. Wait, be say Lady Monica don already come and say mama and mama come say no be she o. Him tell we you know, but when here, Enogie. He made no go love egbe men. Yeah, he can't make go any na we record the go where Eru call him. Una call him maybe 5 a.m. You see talking for your video where you see do again this night where the court come for me. Now you my picture there you where Eruna call him imam funny way. You called me yesterday 5 a.m. a nursing mother.
Oh, nursing mother. But you were able to call that woman 1 a.m. in the night as a nursing mother. But me can't call you 5 a.m. at the Canada. As you come, okay, you see, wait till I want to talk to you. If I lie, I call you. I don't know something at 5 a.m. on a day. What happened? You never even reach 2 hours for day. You post for your story. I was like, meaning this woman see my missed call. You see my call, you not call back. Then you have to know. When you have ni mu ye kiko. When you have fiye ke gbe me. Violet. If you have no ye kiko, or you can fiye ke gbe. If you have no ye kiko, you can fiye ke gbe. If I not call you, at the end you can't go post for your story. I can't say, so not be person with me cousins. Before I can do that video for you. More than the list, you know, it was so rich where he say the woman for debunk. No, na see if na so they take the debunk.
Canada, I can't call them another Canada. Who are you go, eh? They will give you Canada time. So when me wa ye for ya uko ni ake we wa call iwa to them mu fun. E ma ni pe call me no gbe congratulation mama. Me me boy return it many missed calls. Now you came out again and did another video or saga with me where the men lads and the men do debunk way because the lady Monica only
anybody like it go take call. Right? You come know when you go take pick.
Thank you.
We shall be 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Now you know when you take pick.
Okay.
You say at 5 o'clock, you know if you pick. If you
wake up, but you know you post your story.
Because they come me around 12, around 1, no they pick or if I feel like I
email. That's in your buyer no be o.
The only one say they take Canada.
Violet.
But me newborn, I do not forget me.
What buyer no be a?
Eke queen newborn.
No, we're not see mother there.
No see mother. Okay, you say that woman not going to debunk. The time you take do this video, it not be public, they upgrade you. You not going to use that and make better video or write up. You get time, not see money. You did 20 minutes video.
Yeah, I don't say me. Just
20 minutes video.
Where your umagbe?
Person talk something for public. You can go call for
private.
You go for private, so you were happy all these days. You were happy.
No problem with me.
I don't expect this thing for you. Violet your Salgue, you share.
Uwata.
Salgue. You may be any one that sleep on person.
No one on your block.
See, I go sleep with your mother.
When my wife block you.
When I sleep with your mother, I said all they do anything of speaking. I will hear more in my way. Now you feel pretty matter. You born for my birthday. Enogie, I come for your birthday. Enogie, I come for your birthday.
Hey.
I say there, so I go,
Hey. Ya gwe ya izegwa. What o gale gawe.
We know they do saga again, but with you we go do saga.
I'm stand.
With you we go do saga.
If the rest of the talk, I know.
If the rest they let they bring my nash, they bring my breast, they bring my mind to talk. I don't, we know the mouth now. We know the enter call you now. You don't see people who they survive. Now we make put it between the saga you. If the other people, the other women, they talk to us now. We not go right. We not go fit draws. But we with you.
Yeah, what boy here?
We don't do it, but we not see got people to that woman.
Oh, make us see better.
When they call that woman,
oh, no, we are better called.
I said, blogger, we need that video. We take up people so that.
Oh, no, we are better called.
Bloggers, we need them.
Violet, me don't know you when you talk about the work.
Eh.
You gossip to that woman say not the work. Imaguyo. But can't debunk one thing now.
Because it call I agree. I never know that time. Oh, I never know that time.
Audio, yeah, the man called you well, but you said it to me on audio. All of a sudden, they have it pay. All of a sudden, they have it pay. You gossip me to that woman. I don't know you before. What you want to do me now? We go work for my body. You are so evil. If I see you there for they beat you, I will share. Anything I see they do you again for this media, I will be. If I can make a carry or crack before there, is a promise. I will so deal with you that next time, as in there, if it not be me, if it be somebody else, you will know how to quickly remove yourself for problem next time. I will teach you a lesson. This is why I have to do some welcoming speech. Married now. I never match your mama picture now. Your baby papa picture. Never matter now. The things where your baby papa do before you know you when they use money, they look for men. Shame on you. As you say, you even get the money. You don't get the money, but now you Now you can't feel your pass. You not there your body, but what if you say? You, not worry.
You also talk out just now for your video, just now say, nah, me carry phone, tell Lady Monica, say I buy you freezer. Enogie, don't mwe bog beyona. Mene mama na mane Violet. Agagele mieri mogele tabe Monica we de a freezer noe. Eni ni do gwa logo we boy Canada Nigeria ni ge mioe. Imota me Monica we de freezer no. Enogie o jemi no veye ba even do gwa logo u mioe.
Back to sender. If I boga la wegbe or la wegbe, is your tear body game. Violet, now your mama, now you dey swear for not be me. The only way that swear go work for my body, if na me bring fridge matter. If na me bring fridge matter, if it dey happen before say person they use person they laugh for person head, the other one go dey smell, now that cause go reach my body. No, the first day I come out, I no saga you. I post your picture. Does that mean that I saga you? Do you know what is saga? Now you will now experience the difference between saga and when somebody just they talk. You are so evil. Down here. God forbid. If just they beat you, I'll say, don't reach now. Me this will arrest. Oh God. Oh. I don't know, say you reach me that they beat every minute of life. Yahweh, you guys say where? Mama na mumu, you guys say where? You don't know me, sha. You don't know me. You feel say because I just there on the low. Say I don't feel can reply you. Maybe that give you the confidence to do that rubbish. Because you not be baby. Somebody they use you till they lie for my head. Wait till you not do for me. Tomorrow, when they call the tell me say Enogie, when they call the talker, why you not come talk that time? What time I can talk? Oh, so I tell you now, under the fridge in here. Under the fridge in here. Don't do saga. If you like, not come do saga now. Anytime it is strong, come and reply me. I'm ever ready to fight you anytime, any day. Because your baby papa is a very useless person. To even give you belly, a useless person. Because you don't even know the woman when they give belly. Say you don't even love her, your second baby papa. Me, I never talk. You just do and maybe say maybe still there records you don't want to. You still love your first ex baby papa, which is Ukwa one. You just they pretend. Now you pursue Ukwa come up. I never tell you the history when I get about you. Now me say I no need that since then. Anytime I do, me not the quarry. But today I go to download all of them from the person back. You're there with me quietly. And I'll also feel the do one after the other.
Because too much of everything is bad. You cannot be talking out of assumption. Who can wear the first video? Who not tie?
More than say person with the English country. Do you know what is assumption? You this fool. Mama no zua. Violet will not get sense. A Violet where the only nursing woman in this life, you never see any other nursing woman. You know, say that February 15 when you born, since there no other woman don't born, only you one don't born. Nursing woman, no, nursing mother they be my ho. Nursing mother they be my ho. No be wa go ma bola we be. Egbe. I dey come for you. I never charge you. All those ones, they'll feel me. May they owe me now. Oh yeah, may they saga me now. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, now. Me all of them begin to saga me. I don't give them food. But I not go reply them. Never. I will not do that. I'm above them. People that cannot create content on their own and post it. Now everyone go reply. I form my hand. But you, yeah. Mumuna mama, yawa mowe on his head. Like that boy. You never know the one where you enter from my hand. If you know the one where you enter, so now this one they call opekere. Go and ask your mother what opekere mean. Do you know what is assumption? Assumption means nobody said You bought me a fridge. I am just assuming that you bought me a fridge. And this is why I'm messaging you to come and debunk what I did not hear from anybody. That is assumption. Madam, we they Canada, we know they speak, we know they hear English for we don't know because you new ball, we don't have postpartum, change your memory, or you don't. I don't know. What is assumption? Assumption is something that never happened. But you just think calm. You just assume and say, maybe it happened. That is assumption. Is this assumption? No. Somebody came out to say, a violet in the fridge in here. That is no longer assumption. There is evidence there already. All you have to do is to clear the air. You will not know the way that they look you. You will then insult your mama. The person don't even tell you sorry. You begin it. My lady. Not be make me feel attack you say you don't know the way that they look you. Say that they insult your own mother. You just say, and now they verse you they talk like in bed. You they talk like picking with the one spoil. Israel asu wagmo. Wagbeo. Ovi undan. You they do juju. You they do juju. You born for 2 children, two father. That's why they start juju for our village. Eh? Which kind of juju you call the sound like that? You never use juju tell ukwa one. You never use juju tell ukwa one. Come and swear if you don't tell me say ukwa is a diabolical. He's a diabolical person. Because me, I know they like to talk before. But you want use me talk and I'll talk. I be present now. Saga the body. Yeah. Because the person know they do saga, you really say the saga wrong. Come on. I want to come. What I do for 8 years, you don't why? You don't Jones. No, what carriage you do come from? If you know use your math, tell me say, Ukwa one is a diabolical person. I know you want to know who the diabolic. As you diabolic, you know if you use your diabolical, tell one man, may you born for one man. Now come Seraphim and Cherubim. Where that one they go? Man, you and they come for you. And they come for you. Yeah, I said, boy, and I will do it. Yeah, come on, where we might not give matter. Yes, your boy, you are. I allow you to kill them. What is happening now? You serve juju, we see the serve juju. Now it is sweet me. Nobody be Christian between me and you now. Talk less of say one person come back and say, oh, but I believe so much in God. But when bomb me working. Candy love. You say Enogie, Eddie Murphy no arrest your mama. You not call on your papa later. Epa apologize to my mother. Did that woman apologize to? Now she know. Violet know the how they tell Luca. Epa apologize to my mother. And that was why me and Epa friendship contact again. She tell my mother sorry. She apologized to my mother. But that one apologized to mama. My mama say you don't want to. You don't want to do quarrel. You don't want to like that too. My mama go see correct chance to they collect correct juju for ma. Because if you were anyway, yes. Somebody will not offend your day, sort your mama. At the end, you go settle like that. Candy. He block you. Because this is saga mood. This will not be said they do content here. He block you. With that social media president, he go here. I apologize to my mother. I sorry. Everybody had reach out. If person can tell you, say, what did he do you so? Sorry, yo. I be sorry. Sorry, not sorry. That is it.
Una gbe with second video. We mo yata man. Then a comment section where they started insulting me there where iya fian yegbe no give me was say na say yegbe.
You say Oviakpo Canada. The Oviakpo one of Canada. AKA Mama Mumu one of Canada. You say you know the fian yegbe. Mama Mumu. Mama Mumu, come here. You know the fian. Don't worry. The next saga, you'll know if the finyagbo, you know the finyagbe. Now, the next saga, you go know if you the finyagbe or you know. Yeah, man. May I not start to. You are the biggest liar I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, Lady Precious Meg. I see you, Mama. I talk to you. Ah! Violet in Udevawa. Where? What did you just say? You are the managing director if you're a conglomerate. Oh, if you're for a living. Maybe from tomorrow. Huh? I will bring a video of how you lie too much. That is one thing I don't like about you. You are a liar. With your innocent face. Who they see you now, they'll say, oh, nothing mother. Devil. Worry Ninya say, you knew bow, but now you can't gossip pass. Where I got gossipy, Jason. It's a one. Where is a gossip? It's a one and one for one day. Ah, Mama na Mumu, you gossip. You they got you. Your gossipness not get part two. Now that moment is pitiful. Because that one you go follow gossiper Mama can laugh. Oh, Mama, message to you. The person will born you now strong gossiper. So maybe if they care for me, he not quit your hand. Oh, Mama, not to vex. Oh, Tala. Oh, Tala in the talk. Yeah. You never reach what to bring your baby papa come for Canada. You are rich. You never reach where your baby papa want to join for Canada. Eh? Oh, you want to cocoa this one by yourself. If you don't see gather the body, you go carry another picking again. Akpara bobo, ozuo.
Yet you support 500,000. The marriage war. What do you know what type of social media? And when I tell you we're saying the social media now, you might say rock what there.
You say waiting. Why I don't use my mouth talk and say you give me 500,000? You better talk this thing. As we call it, so now this one you for breaking news. If you can lie on my wife, say now you buy her hair. Say you buy my wife hair. Where you be saying on my children hair, my wife post for WhatsApp story. You insist say you want buy her. Now you can't give me that kind of money. You say waiting. Ooh, Azara. I will call us. Oh, this one, DJ Ginger. I agree to you. I did YouTube. If I true, I did live now. If I true, I'll call you. What you man? If you reach later, I'll call me. Wamudia. Wamudia. Let's go.
Even when they not date Tony or can walk where you wait to you day where I want pay. I never come.
Mama, how many years you don't pay put? Honey, Pastor Grace. Honey, Larry. How many years this woman don't pay?
Now why hell? Now even just I give the money we bring the help for my children.
Who will you give money?
Joyous.
Mommy Joyous.
You want the call I cut and say who that hair when you do for call give my children now mama pay.
Finish only one.
Only that hair.
Only that one.
Only that hair.
Wagbo. See the way they talk as on 10.
100
for the children, not before you.
No, never go. God forbid.
Now she still insist.
I put her for start to say, come my buy for my guests, my guest mommies, because say I will pay. So let's see, what did they swear?
Hey!
Because I will pay.
Is this not if you're Yagbe?
Because I will pay. How much?
If you're Yagbe, on a man, I got this, I got that. If you're Yagbe, yeah. Imagine. See the way they talk as if say you don't buy like 10 hair.
I say, may I pray for her, me born to so it will like to this. I go to for me. I will say, if buy my children something.
Another year.
Me can't swear put my like this stuff.
What the
people part of make them forget to go can't swear. Me can't swear put.
Maybe we not do tia bon ya. You va like be. All right, let's go.
Even when now they beg and say not come out for show me that can't talk am. I not be that kind of person where be say yeah we say no man he do tell the media.
Shut up, B. What about a lemon and the wife? Man, I never go that area because don't I God. I be saying I don't want to say I give Baba. It's a guy here, Baba. He tell me give away. But where? You cannot make me go back to my vomit. Never. You can't make me go back to my vomit. Never.
Yeah, I don't do it. My platform always do give away. Or I social media where by the way opening for live video.
Please, guys, don't stop.
You
Don't
have a
stop.
war. You know Bobo me serio. Do man have doing we talking 500,000 or the post tech money who know traditional marriage. I for not use my mouth talking. Or need to fear nyagbe. Emi ni ma uno wa iwi we no wa. Amaya akoko mo po wa now. I took one Enogie. Okbo wa. Na one a traditional home. Nana ye boku. And ye mi ne bohin.
Very good.
Also, na mwe bog be na because to tell the video where Moyata me Monica, then Mota me Monica Eladian, do tie with the freezer, say not your boy your ban.
Very good.
Who are the only serious boy who the baby ladja with video of it where who tell
Serious waiting. La wo serious no bell. Ama masoma ayeya no ma serious but what you want serious for? You born for two father. You call serious boy. Serious. You the serious boy. I get that. You oh we are serious boy. You will do mad like but no one know when I bopia is ana. The bon we are telling over no so like me. I no see mother no zua. No see mother like Mofi.
Mota me Monica o mere Mota me Monica I the baby ladja I the cerebro na. La Enogie do ye video na ya ini awe. Se mo boy avec kun. Iya ma wo ka we na ladja una do platform wo ka we na saga avec me.
Wetin make my wife saga you? Now you over Sabina. You don't know say you get belle when you don't know how to talk for husband and wife matter. Me and my wife they quarrel. You not you will not talk to my wife body. Now me even save you from my wife that time because my wife be not even ready. He be not even ready to even accept any money from you for marriage. Now she they blame me for his ass and say if you want to talk that and say you know you don't need this money. But I call the beggar and say as far as she request. Not be we ask her. She just I said, no problem. You dey see life. No, she don't dey see life. For I beg Agmo. I beg him, Mona give this video a thumbs up for me, Wama.
Okay, cool. Ubere ladja do answer. Ima lada do answer. So la wo leave me alone. And I'm also using this video to tell you that la wo Egi we call a phone in because a WhatsApp, they don't say man block to a WhatsApp.
Sometimes she can't trouble, she can't share. You can't break up my side, can't break on your side. Because they ask him, you know, if you call me, he wants to hear your voice, go say, Enogie no say I bring money, so I say, you don't bring money now.
Right from the day when you say money, give me a wife.
250.
250. Oh, they will give me.
Enogie no say I bring money, so I said, why they look me? I feel you don't bring money or dinner for me. I don't let my husband.
Remember something.
I don't let my husband know. Me no, they put money matter for head. I don't use and touch money. Enogie, I bring money come for your wife. Oh, I'll say bring come for you. Oh, I'll say bring come for you. Before you call tell and say, my wife tell me, and they go say okay. Then after some party when you come bring another 250, call your side again. Okay, now me, you know, if you bring first money come for me. If you come take and pass me again, now the family money to go. Now that's okay. I say me send video tell one to you keep that money. We go your start calling. So this will bring money. If you want know what that I not tell you.
Tell me so that you can't be the first to tell me. Don't do say so
well. Okay, this one not talk and now you for not
tell me.
It is say I not tell you. This girl.
Come on. Hey, Violet, now what be you are you say me I stay away from you. If I get when me to be friends.
Now since I block her, they go to company to put the money.
How many years we able to do friendship so? No, just say 1 year now.
Make me block her that time.
Now I tell no this idiot. When you do your birthday last year 2024, a few days to your birthday, Mommy Joyous come they comment, right? He consider the comment. I don't know at that time.
Exactly, you don't know.
No, you never even say yeah.
People they ask me say, where for buy my hair?
Yes.
And that hair was expensive. Even they keep business, but you know say na just you want keep business for you and say, I said the hair also.
That's the one.
I said the hair also is 30 euro. I said the hair also is 30 euro. Now you confess, say, why you the commenter for you like that here, my wife take back? When you that here, my wife take back here. When you ask for business for me, enjoy your sign, for you say, you know, if you get the hair, you know, it's not be 30 euro. You want your user right for what happen? I put her when you water away for you call the writer saying that 30 euro, I say they can follow you back. When you just say hair for joyous, hair from the joyous, he say I have the hair, it's 30 euro.
Okay.
I have the hair, it's 30 euro.
Okay, make you know.
Thank
you, well, converse on her. On you,
I just take supplement to my brain never caputo. Because who be the mama? I got say okay, get one day one bad head. Now she pay put for my children, and she pay put for the children.
Hey, no problem. Right about now. Let's continue this mogo. This you know I've reached 1 year.
You say if I do video, Saga, that video actually.
I play.
Who they call you say you too soft for that video.
Okay.
I don't say this woman not call you.
Okay.
He don't reply you.
I can't still call him again.
He don't reply you.
That time my phone cost this spoil. My phone was not good too.
If that one you not see good, you know the carry network, because go return.
I can't go return that again. Now you always me.
You call line, you not pick. If you mean that way, not voice, you can voice them must see him.
If you voice me
now.
If
you not see call, nothing say you call, but voice you must see. If you say you voice you.
You know what thing they do say? Maybe me I not go record that say because you know say I was calm.
Enogie, now today you decide this game. No say na Saga. Na Saga na Saga anything with you. Na Saga the woman do now. When I get Saga no
okay.
So was no na. And not gonna that one you they say no say na Saga na beg allow. You know it finish. Matter go close. What are not dead yet?
Oh boy, is it down?
Oh wow.
Ladian, Umawe no see mother. Come out or tell people make they fight for you. I don't care about those ones. All those ones na mule. I mean that a mule with Deutschland. Any me kiaba.
But we no gije na a video na the mail drop na emi ayi ya block with the WhatsApp na because they block you that long time ago. I believe where you know for they come out every day say I call her how do I call her not that be 5 a.m. in the day my egbe.
Ogun ogba. Ah, a variety. What boy are no bia? Ah, ina ma we na. What boy are no bia nu de va wo agmo. Ba bo la we gbe. What boy are no. What boy are no bia me wan no bia there. Okay, as you can't block me since now. This night now not go come. No, when you block him and now, this night now not go come now. We're not going to enter some again. In fact, we don't even enter some already. Why you're blocking not gonna stop and me slow see the 4th of March. Oh, verse 1 as you ne. See this idiot. Better people still block me. I not send. If we still quarrel, we'll still block ourselves. Talk less of you will not be my girlfriend, you not my wife, you not be anything to me.
When she I will say, Enogie, you must give my baby. The one who say me send account, because she said, "Come."
I'm not saying that.
She know what she they do.
Don't ever buy your the matter my way. No, can't wear any.
Enogie, you are more sorry. You must bless my baby. You must send. Give and say, Mama, 100% sure. We must send gift. Send account. All tonight, send account. Come.
Ah, but don't ever buy your the mama.
All tonight, send account. Come.
No, go.
Iyo salo ba wo lokun yin awe keke ni afefe nu ga nu mwetiyan ya yin awe. Stay off me, stay away from me. La wo. Imani de problem mo ropa. But o ma wi yan amwe problem yin me, even mwe problem yin ne. I mu o ropa we nu.
Now make I tell you now say, the problem in me, papa in la wegbe. E violent no away Canada. Give me problem, I need your problem. I want your problem. A nursing mother. No.
Use the mouth for public say get belle. We can't talk and I say
I can't answer on it.
Talk many.
Talk
many.
We never even start. Oh.
Mo not talk and finish.
Oh. Yeah.
Mo not rush out.
Every 7 o'clock, all of people will not know my YouTube today now. They don't know I'm now. At least from today now, they subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let you want why you beat. What by your work, you know me now. Enogie gare. I started to beat you now for the past 1 hour 28 minutes. Hey, ya gwegede, me no, my Enogie maton. That is why I stay away from all these things because why? Yeah, go. People will not even see food now go see food shop now. May nobody carry my video. On my video, this is my YouTube channel. My video will be here on my YouTube channel. Apart from a Violet in Ozua, if you can the analyzer on her, if you still blogger, apart from money, women and I get problem. On my video, not that say why yes.
Because so nobody will saga don't kill. Nobody.
Come here. You where they say precious may go too much. Usaso is our blog come on YouTube. Go and ask if the blog person for YouTube be don't finish. Not be Facebook where for the say on blog. Our blog come on the YouTube before. A YouTube be where reservoir. When I say okay, you don't know what to be reservoir for YouTube. Yeah, my way, man.
The way saga don't buy. So Lawo stay away from me. If be there, will not call them. Do you see what you not see? You see because you feel where they birthday where be.
Imagine.
Hey, mama, even your wife. Congratulate me. Oh, you just go born my birthday. Now we birthday where be. Now it might be a birthday. Now you
but now what you first talk before you can't call me back, say, not my birthday for born. You born for my birthday, not born for my birthday. What's that I come born for my body? Oh, you mama, you not fear you be very my dear. I even happy say you not born for my birthday. I even happy say you not go born for my birthday. Now Donald Trump or Zuckerberg, now those want me they pray me they get the same birthday with me, maybe their children. You who know you for the world? I wear as girlfriend of Ukwa one. Osarugwe will not know himself for Canada. Who know you Nubel?
when you get to a birthday where okay now gear where I wasn't not a video. Now yes, now we have to be a bed order for where you know, it's a little no be a birthday way. That is what I told you people don't want to call me. I'm with phone you talk. The next year that for now page of when I have boy anyway, my man I'm born my birthday on the 16th. You not comment your total away a birthday where be before you went and edit it.
What you call DD? You born for my birthday, you not born for my birthday. Every day is precious. As far as we are still living, every day is precious to me. There are people who are born today. They are precious. Okay, I can say, because it's not my birthday, I no agree with it. You be fool, you not get sense. Who was Zua? If person to do juju, that's why they be. I'm more young, more ya. We don't move more ya now. You guys say way. Eti joki. You guys say way. Una mi wolo na dove. Oma ya, oma amori ba we. We no man na way. We level him ya di bonke.
Lawo stay away from me. Mo pare social media now. Mo pa vere Canada. Make na wa me we akin wa 2024 don't go now we are 2025. You people
also say if you know say me I don't insult you, then don't insult Lady Precious men. Okay, don't try it. If you love me, you regard somebody that I respect too. It may live life in me. Anyway, I says though. Oh, where you walk on ya? Oh, wait, a boy, I don't see that comment just now. She could invest for me. She get right to verse because the platform already. As long as I don't know, so now she did it. Why good here, Bonnie? I'll do Lady Precious Men platform, person they cost me. I'll verse for Lady Precious Men and say, Mama, you know if you tell these people, maybe they don't insult me again. So I believe me, everybody respects their self here. If they enjoy them, right? Enjoy them.
people should stay away from me. Lawo. I have a responsibility of me very na so mona stay for me ni me o bag or more money that be 2 weeks or na be na we do ladder into a deep bucket nonsense.
A nonsense of yak bijoué. A Violet, a nonsense all yak berak bijoué. If a bogan la baby papa wegbe, iya eva kukwa ke ya. Wa sungu. Wa deva wa. When do a deep bucket nonsense at the detriment of my name? Huh? If you know madame, what you say that the wasun wagon. Vabola, if a ball la jouer, il joue no ma coquette, Vabola jouer. Israel on Yenya Aladia with picture na bo la jou egbe. Even ya fe ni you in Canada, ya could akpe ma we one after the other. So because they did 2 weeks maybe when you newly born, then maybe they use me. Percy wait, drag you into this mess. Umame tika my way my lady la wo. Imade frigine or my ya tell her no. You don't know those, you don't know that woman. Therefore, don't complete the video come outside there. Yeah. Are you playing? No, you know, if you game when I tell you do any pepper them. You not be better person now. Yeah. You get people that tell you do pepper them now. A bomb having mommy Douglas, a Odumovia. Now those are the things they do pepper them. Not be you now. What do you get? Why are you no agmo? Me not fight for you. Me mag be na way. If you give me 500,000, me not still defend. Me not fight for you. Me already fight for you before you give me that 500,000. If you don't know today, may you know. When that woman they pursue, they go when they monetize your page. No, Moga, not my platform for they sort out. More your cut and say, I fight for you, you pay me for it. You not gonna give me money for marriage again. Make it end like that. So mathematical balance. Because me not they do that kind of thing for person free. And not get him. Don't tell me for this job, eh? Don't worry, no. As I thought I want to go YouTube today. I know see this kind of view for YouTube when you don't tell where I do Sagari show. But people that lost me are still here to listen. What they worry you? Ogon bijoué. No debunking nonsense. Nonsense or bon. A nonsense or yak bon. Or you kuma deke di makosi you agmo. Or feel boy is ange when he yalalunu. Was your boy you nisa when he yalalunu? My secret way are vene. One. Are you any place in Nigeria? You go do what you want to do. No agora lemon. No agora lemon. What by your nursing mom? And I mean nursing mommy there. The place where you did, now you make a go though. I'm not doing anything different. But we say now the boy. You to large and to deep monkey wa. La go. Wa mo you to. When I put me for grand. I'm not buying the fridge. Are you Miami? That gave me money and I use it to and I decided to use it to buy fridge. It goes so rich when they talk say the woman can't debunk. One of the CEO.
I think you will have peace now. You will rest now. Stay away, Enogie. Stay away. Uwe iyemi ni wu ne na lo so an dodge phone. This one call him marry my phone. Enogie. Uwe video no on the 21st in February. Canada time. I think 6:55 for Canada time. No, 7:55 Canada time. Guy 1 a.m. a Germany time, almost to 2 or 2 a.m. I will post my call log for you and I ask screenshot for my private WhatsApp. Number no Facebook. Ina ya call you. Igbava umamu. Ina no call Lady Monica. No ma wagbon viere ona mo phone me. O matter where them ugbene. Ina we give me ho a video na wu. But to tie bania where imegi dodge phone we because men in me une moyata.
Imamie miss call we. Imamie miss call we. Me miss call we me na attack we I dey call you today not the pick.
Monica where ide freezano Enogie the call login na kini call you the same day no way video. You make an eye igwa to oge o ma ka be to oge o to oge no make sense.
Now you dey carry matter dey go. All this one with the call log don't make sense to me. Waiting go make sense to me now. Assuming you just go write time for there. Say, my lady, please remove me from this thing. No, I no buy fish for Enogie. This is me for talk to you. I for not talk to you now. But you say no, say no one do like that. You might have be calling that woman indoor. I say so na indoor she for talking. Oh, you deceive yourself. You are deceiving yourself. woman.
Hey,
Nonsense.
me, mama, can't do auto age. You just come out on social media and speak with assumption.
Shut up your mouth. Osalo boy. If I say that when you go hospital, you hear that English assumption. Assumption here boy. Ah, ya assumption ya boy. Hey, you heard me say yo. Ah, ya assumption ya boy. Assumption. Ah, ya boy. Iba bo. Oga lawegbe. Assumption. Ah, ya boy. Assumption marifo. Assumption wuye. Assumption boy. Okay, you say you call the woman. Now, message when you tell her she cut off for live video. Say, why do fake life? Pepe, where for do that kind of video? Hey, madam, what they use on that leg, defame my saga. It may say you way. When I said me, I say you say nothing with that woman. When my day he said me, I say you. When no man met me content with you, where or don't move here. My TV content when money when man breaking news. You hear it, while you hear it here. I just say you be better person if I come up for those cyberspace you can do without Enogie. But when I left, you couldn't do without me. Till today, till tomorrow, you still call me. I will not answer you. No. If I have children like your children, in fact, my content not go there. Go there loud. Violet, where tie madani ma unu gay because I'll soon play that madam. Make I for ask now if now so they debunk video. Masi baba, ma can say baba.
Uwe video post a picture me yiva. I called you immediately. They brought it to my attention to ask you where what the warrantan. Umamu. But now you jump out on live video where I can't dodge your call. As you say you be governor or president or team and wasa, then I can't run from your call. Wait, because I know what thing I don't do. You are insulting me. Every time you do video about me, Enogie, who tiebo no giane, who I tiebo no giane for nowhere saga. Anyway.
Okay, Violet. Eba me mwebogbu now. The video when I first place is I tell my fans when they watch me say, did I insult you? They said, no, I didn't insult you. The only day I insulted you was the day you stupidly forgive a woman who insulted your mother without an apology. I know they deny. You should tell me say you vex, but I still tell you sorry. Who are you when I know the? As me call the saga you now. Hey, me want to see what you want to do now. Well, Sarugwe, when you make him web of boo and anya. Me want to see what you want to do now. Wow.
It can do no real way money. I not blame you. Even though say you senior me for age or whatever way you feel say you take senior me, but coming out every time to come and insult me as you say I be your last born. You need to.
Wow. You will not know yourself. You don't know how they look you. You were there insulting my mind, not fit do anything. What if they talk no well? You they mad? Now me they tell say you not blame me. I mean go talk and not blame you. I not blame you. I don't know you before. Now 2024 February, I know you. We can't finally break up for March 2025. Wow, what a perfect 1 year and 1 month relationship. We not even the relationship is normal here. Don't come here, me never even know you will begin to discuss my matter with you. So if I even come back and insult you normally, you're not supposed to even talk. You dey feel I'm so violent. On a normal, you're not even supposed to talk. Where? Yeah. I get your time. Violet, 2 children, 2 father. I get your time.
Stop. You need to stop. It really need to stop.
To mama na mama, you offend me so much. You offend me, but I not be person. We don't remember what the person do for me. We need to call Iyogbo Mayesi. You offend me so much to the extent I was even trying to reach you on WhatsApp because you know what you do. You know they pick call again. You pick my call. You not pick my call. Now my wife, now use you, now use me and you to know each other. Maybe you don't know me before for social media. When I do all those basketballs. But now my wife, now use me and you to know.
When I see any insult for you, with this video one on the watch now. Did you say I even still appreciate her for what she do for me in the past? But what you not do for me? Say my use a raw body because he be nothing more. That was why I won't be joué. I Violet, I won't be joué.
Before I go talk, wetin make me they do this video. Number one, I want to use this video to appreciate you and to carry go out. Boom. Look, is that anybody for those cyber that video because
That bad and deep freezer, they're not debunking.
that video because of my lover. When I still get for those of you now when they feel say because I stop saying that say my lovers are wrong, I still have lovers. That fridge, mama, you not fully west not be buy that fridge from my hand. Even not be buy that.
That day grant since whether they talk and
More than list, you know, the person where say he call. The person where say he call for his ass. Say not bad, Enogie fridge. In one call debunk. When I see that's what they debunk.
say, mama na mama where they Canada bad and deep freezer, they're not debunking. Because they want me you also can't say na lie. My people, mama na mama saying no bad deep freezer.
When I hear what that woman talk, he said because we want me the coffee say na lie. Na lie because it no happen. It no happen. Madam, bring the video when you see come outside when me tell say a Violet in the Gbema or Canada they freeze or they freezer me. You wait they say see you say no they do saga you won't bourgeois. I'm worried about when you set it here doggy Didi. I'm worried about when you set it. Oh, I they do saga. If you need this cutting, I they do saga. That's why now let this idiot when they call Violet and one beat. Since I started this video, so you say I don't mention anybody name. I even cover this with my face. I don't want to see her face. As I even they play her voice, so they irritate me. Oh, because I want to do saga again. I'm gonna come gang up, say, wanna laugh on my head. Fridge where they not bad for me. Maybe you're the carry they go say not bad fridge for me. There was never a time when I take here and say, this idiot who they cover the bad fridge for me. If not, I forgot the bunker now. Why not the bunk? And the time we I take yes, so now I take the debunk and so. That is it.
Not being bad deep freezer. That she also hear at that time, but she just say, na saga una they use and do. He no talk. And he no give we. He no come man come to say, na my money I take bad deep freezer. Why am I your man of my baby? Na where she say, mama no be their slave again.
Violet, if I get when you take me my slave, oh, maybe now the discussion we go tell them for that I say you be our slave. I beg waka go. I beg, Grace they go. As you also come today say you don't block me, I happy. Maybe block you when. Grace they go where you don't know the eye with the tail look you. Memeario do. Memeario do no. Now this one he said they can't debunk. This one they debunk and this one they proof where they join petrol. Was there ever a video when I tell do say mama don't buy us fridge? You know they. So what's it go make me debunk? I don't even hear that since then. Well, damn you.
Mama they not feel manipulate son. Juju mamwe lie. Na you can say right now maybe any warrior with the video Enogie. Osamo dia make wait.
Last that video just now. I don't know that woman. Not just the voice there play.
they play my video now. But she not play the video when I tell her say mama and mama buy me fridge. You see the way they drag mama and mama put for saga when they know say she newly born. But now they want to put it on me, say a nursing mother Enogie. Why agbeo? Umere nursing mother no uga more in your way. There was never a video like that. No bloggers. No blogger. I they do saga, yeah. I know they do saga. But not be saga of every day. Also not about it depends on how the story be. If the story you see say okay, why we facing content in me. But if this woman provoke me more, we'll continue this saga because now she find me. She they play the video now when me take debunk the first video. But why did you not play the video when me 30,000 and you buy me fridge? So now just the talk it was just a propaganda. It never happened. They were not totally worry Violet.
Now the buyer by the says, Ari Jenna, my dear, who be that? Who write the team? Mother, in progress dominio. Ari Jenna nia. They say now the buyer by the says, what?
Now this why I say they can't debunk you. Now what be Violet you are? When they see left. Now this one Violet, they talk say they don't debunk. Say I no accept her. This one and debunk have been to put fire join her. This woman here, they accuse me of a video that she cannot even prove today. She can't prove it. Where is it? We don't know these people. If I ever do a video say mama and mama baby, they don't go bring that from my side. Me not even remember the time. Well, I know now year 2023 I do the video, but I don't even remember the date again. Talking for say I will say me I go. I don't even remember again. Now this one, Violet, where they Canada say make I accept as debunk. I don't even could see this video. Now 2 days ago, yeah, I see this. I can say what? Now this one be the debunking video. When mama and mama say he does debunk. Is this a debunk or to put fire join? Okay, no. Doggy, you are blocked. Since I not get some content. Now your papa, now they do since then. Get out of here. Out of my platform. Oh yeah. Get out. The people where you follow for Facebook, they got content. Don't block you. What man? You want a Violet no Canada.
Hey, why you need the social media now? Yes, they say that the buyer by the says so. A difference now ya we pepe de saga. A difference now tell we mama na mama buy us freezer. Mama na mama.
Can you bring out the video? I'm gonna see that babe. Can you bring out the video? Since when mama Miami because mama na mama. Now this idiot video, so this useless video, a video that the Bema Hona, now that nursing mother, not a nursing mother we Canada, say make I take as a debunk. Violet, Ogunya Bijou il matter now. Il joue rien you se fait il matter. Il va boire rien fier pour le jouer. Il matter now nous rien. Il va boire mieux boire fier pour le jouer. Except where Mokari no. Except where any soon no ya we no clear the hair. Ofo. Oh, tout rien soon. Ça roule tout rien soon. Tout rien soon. Well, now this one be the debunk video where they say make her debunk, where they say she debunk. She's still saying that I said mama and mama buy me fridge. Where be say no video to prove to what she's saying. There is no video to prove. You're only talking with your mouth. That the stupid Violet say don't debunk. Violet ya gbegbe ya izegwe. Eti joki ya izegwe ha. Adema hi won dia. Ta viewing. Ya izegwe ha. Ade o hi won dia. Rolling Stone. You say why didn't you debunk when your guy said that? Go and bring the video now. Go and bring the video more than the shame. Now I push mama and mama put for this problem. So was there ever a time me and my wife take talk so that my mama and mama buy us freezer? Was there ever a time? Was there ever a time? Mama Miami, you say give us money. Ogwon Rolling Stone, who devour your papa does swear. May I go bring any juju come for me now? I will answer. Say na mama Miami, now mama. When I know mama 2023, I never even know mama na mama. 2023, I never even know mama na mama. If I have ever do a video to say na mama for Canada or Sarugwe Violet, they buy me fridge. All the costs when I don't cost it may go back to me. All the insults when I don't render assist, may all of them come back to me. No, you not get when I take talk. And Mama Miami at time, daddy say, Mama Miami, thank you. We still buy the freezer. All the insults I have rendered since will go back to Rolling Stone. Amen. Video mama de fridge me. Oh God. Mama na mama.